Hello everyone, welcome to Collegedunia's YouTube channel. So today we will be looking at NEET College Predictor and how you can search your colleges as per your NEET rank or your score. So first things we need to do is open the Collegedunia homepage here. So if you type Collegedunia in Google, it will give you the page. Click on this. Once you click on this, you will get the Collegedunia homepage will open. You can scroll down and you can see the College Predictor option here. So there are multiple exams listed here. You can select the exam from here, which is NEET. We will select the exam, or you can click on find where you may get admission and select the exam also. So let's click on NEET. So the NEET College Predictor has opened. Now you have to enter your marks here, or you can enter your rank here. So let's enter your marks. Suppose say 450 is what you have got. Then the reservation category, you can select the reservation category from here. The course also can be selected, MBBS or BDS. So let's keep it as MBBS and select state. So if I select state, let's select Haryana and then click on check results. It is as simple as this. So once you click on check results, you will get your predicted rank here. So as per your score, which is 450, your rank will be 60,000 to 90,000. And the college list of colleges provided will be as per that. You can also change or modify your search from here. So there are 48 colleges that have been listed here. So now if we check the colleges, you can check the ranking of the college here and the fees also. So if you want to check more details of the college, you can just click on the college. So once this page opens up, you will get all the details regarding courses, fees, admission, results, reviews, cutoff, placements, ranking. All the details will be provided in the college page. Now if we go back to the NEET College Predictor page, you can also apply to colleges directly from clicking on apply now. Once you click on apply now, you have to register and then you have to submit. Then you will be able to apply to the college. So this is how the NEET College Predictor works.